Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my secret traffic source that converts. It's not free, but it is cheap and it's not paid Instagram posts. But before I show you this method, make sure to like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First, we need to find product to promote, and for that we are going to use Clickbank, but you can use any other affiliate network that you want. And for this method, niche specific products works the best. And I will come here, and for this example, I will choose health and fitness, and I will click here, and it will open drop down menu and it will show me subcategories, and I will choose diet and weight loss. And I will scroll here and click on must have affiliate tools page and come here. And like I said in my previous video, I usually don't promote these high ticket products because they usually have a higher refund rate. So let's just choose this one. Let me just open their sales page in new tab just to see how it looks. And let me scroll through their page. Okay, they have some tips. Okay, this looks actually like a good sales page. So let me just open now their affiliate tools page. Again, I will open that in new tab. Give it a second to upload. Okay, get your affiliate tools here. Click here. And let me scroll to see what they're offering. What works the best in 2020? Instagram pages about smoothies, Facebook pages. Okay, demographic data. That is exactly what we are looking. As you can see here, gender, female. Males 15%, so 85% of people who are interested in this product are female. Ages 30 to 60 with the sweet spot between 35 and 45. Countries US, UK, Canada, and Australia. So this is exactly what we are looking for. This is the data that we need, and stay with me and you will see later why this is important for us. So as you can see here, they are actually giving you quite a lot of really useful tools that you can use to promote this product. We have our product and now we need to promote that product. And for that we are going to use Facebook groups. And stay with me, this is not one of those methods where you will spam groups with your affiliate links. We are going to use something more efficient. So we are going to find groups in our niche, in this case weight loss. So let me just go weight loss, give it a second, choose groups, and here you can see all the weight loss groups, and here you can see activity for each group: 80 posts per day, 10 posts per day, 590 posts per day. Okay, let's just open this group, health, fitness and nutrition tips. Click on it, give it a second to upload. And this is exactly what I was talking about. As you can see here, unread announcement, which means this is a pinned post. As you can see, this post was made on May 17, 2017, and it's still on top of this group. Like I said, because this is a pinned post, or as they call it now on Facebook, announcements. And we saw that this group has lots of activity because they are getting 590 posts per day. So we are basically going to pay administrator of this group to pin our post. So what we need to do, we just scroll here, click on members and give it a second to upload. And here you can see who is the administrator of this group. So just hover over their name and click here on this messenger button and send them a message asking them, do they accept paid posts? And if they accept paid posts, you should ask them how much do they charge for to pin your post, and how much do they charge for them to make the post and then pin that post on top of their group on 24 hours. And also you should ask them to send you insight of their group, just like you are asking on Instagram pages. And let me show you what I mean. And this is one of my Facebook pages, and when you scroll here you can see insight. And when you click, for example, on growth, you will see some data. You can see number of members in my group is constantly growing. I currently have 4,277 members. 2,043 active members. And when you click on, let me just scroll, and when you click on engagement, for example, you will see engagement in that group. As you can see, it's going up and down. That is normal. And here you can see most active days. In this case, it's Sunday. And here you can see most active hours. As you can see, that is actually 6 p.m. And when you go here and click on membership, you will see that data. Let me scroll here. You will see this data here. Let me just scroll. Scroll. You will see this data here that I said that are important for us. When you come here, you will see that most of my members are actually male, men, 89%, mostly 25 to 54 years old. And here you can see United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. So if most of my members are females and if I'm in weight loss niche, this would be a perfect group for that product. And the reason why this method works so good is because people come to groups to find solutions for their problems, find people who have similar problems, to find people who can actually help them with their own problems. And this guy obviously established himself as an authority in this group, and he obviously gained trust of his members. And if he pin your post on top of this group, your post will probably get lots of engagement, lots of traffic to your affiliate link, and probably a few sales. And after 24 hours after your post expires, you don't have to, but you should ask them to send you insight of your post. As you can see here, 173 people reached. Just click on view insight and it will give you more data. As you can see, 173 people reached out of 2,000 active members. Here you can see engagement and here you can see other. So you can get more data on how your post performed. This is a bonus tip. This is what I do. I create a few posts, few different ad copies, few different images, few different videos, and then those posts I share in smaller groups in that niche and see which of those posts perform the best. And when I see which of those posts performs the best, I share that post in 3 or 4 additional small groups in that niche just to see will it still perform that well. And if it still performs that well, then I go and find those groups, bigger groups, and ask them to pin my post on 24 hours. And yes, you will need to contact a few people before you get a positive response, but if you send 5 or 10 messages, you contact 5 or 10 groups, then you will get at least one positive response from a group administrator. And this actually converts really good, and this is one of the best Clickbank affiliate marketing tips that I can give you. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Bye. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.